Now let's look at proper set. That is to say proper subset or proper superset. When we use the word proper, we mean we are 100% certain. That means there is no doubt. For instance, V2 has 2, 3, 6, and they are here. It means that V2 is a proper subset of V. Let's see. To confirm that I say V2 is a proper set of V. If I run, it's a true. Remember, proper means 100%. That doesn't mean that V2 is not what? A subset of V. Still the same thing is true. If I run it, it's true. Proper superset. You agree with me that V is a superset of V2. V is a superset of V2. True. But V is also what? A superset of V2. If you agree with me now, let's move further. You agree with me that V is also a subset of V. V is a proper subset of V. But V is not a proper subset of V. It's false. How do I mean? If this is a Venn diagram, and this is V, I have 1, 4, 8, and 3 as the set. These are the elements of this set V. V is a subset of V. That means it's also here. Whatever I say here, you can use that word is a subset. Either you use the word is a subset or you use it's a subset of what? V. But you can't say that V is a proper subset of V. This is wrong. That's what you are seeing here now. That V is a proper subset of V is false. Because for you to be proper of another thing, that thing must have more than you. That is to say, for V2 to be a proper subset of V, there should be something in V that is not in V2. But everything in V2 must be in V. Look at it. Everything in V2 are in V. But there are some things in V that are not here. You can see this one is a subset of this, is a proper subset of this. We can also say, okay, V is a subset of V. It's okay to talk like that. It's a subset. But when you want to use the word proper, it means that 100%. The reverse is what? For what? Superset. Okay? And what you should know is that for the proper, we don't have any method for it. We use proper subset, or you say V is a proper superset of V2. V is a proper superset of V2. This one says V2 is a proper subset of V. But V cannot be a proper superset of V. It's false. Because